Hello everyone, welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaud Sharma. In this video, we talk about how to write an effective press release. The press release is tried and true public relation tool and has been one of the most popular communication formats for PR. So first of all, let's discuss the meaning of press release. A press release is a short compiling news story written by a public relation professional and sent to targeted media persons. The press release should contain all the essential information, 5 W's, 1 H, like who, what, where, when, and how, and the most importantly, why, for the journalist to easily produce his own story. The Small Business Encyclopedia defines press release, also known as news release, as brief printed statements that outline the major facts of a news story in journalistic style. A press release should read like a news story written in third person, citing quotes and sources and containing standard press release information. Another definition given by the Small Business Encyclopedia, a press release is a written document prepared for the media, also called the press, that announces something newsworthy. This 1 to 3 pages document is disseminated to the media in the hopes that reporters and editors will use the information contained within the upcoming TV or radio broadcast, in the newspaper or magazine issue, or on the media's website. Before learn the how to write press release, let's discuss the reasons for writing a press release. There are numbers of situations that might call for the use of press release, such as company announcement, restructuring, relocation or new location, strategic partnership, new financial investor are all worthy for a press release. Secondly, product announcement. It can be a new product, improved products, new brands, new retail outlets carrying the product could also be announced through a press release. Third, initiative announcements. New internal or external projects that impacts the company's community would be appropriate for press release. Fourth, employee announcement. New hires and promotions are worthy for press release. Fifth, honor and awards. Awards or special recognition given to a company, product, project or employee all are press release worthy. And the sixth one, research results. Releasing the finding of a survey or study of some kind related to the business can be included into it. Any issue management and crisis situation or many more reasons are appropriate for writing press release. Now let's discuss how to write effective press release. When writing a press release, it is important to start the basic question like who did what, when and where it happened and what it was for. Keeping these forms makes it easier to judge whether the material is newsworthy or not. So very important thing that press release must have newsworthy for targeted public, then only it will get space in print, electronic and new media. So the first important point is newsworthy. For the content to be considered newsworthy, there are few factors that you need to take as a consideration. First of all, impact. Second, immediacy. Third, recognition. Second important point is to follow the KISS formula, which means the press release is supposed to be kept simple and short, and preferably in the form of allows copying and pasting. Media persons are always busy, and if they have to read and edit the text that is too long, they just might give up before every starting. Experts admit that they want release to be clear and straight to the point. So try to complete your press release in 1 or 2 pages with full information. So the press release must be simple, short and crisp. So the third point is use the inverted pyramid to structure the press release. Every press release should answer the 5 W's 1H questions: who, what, where, when, why and how. Answer to the W questions, you can now structure your press release using the classic inverted pyramid. This enables you to present the most important information first, then the important information, and the further less important means more details of information. So as a public relation officer must write the press release in journalistic style, so it will easy to get space in print media and broadcast in electronic media due to written in news format with less editing. So now let's discuss the different sections of press release. First, contact information. Next, for immediate release, press release headline, subheading for the press release, dateline and lead paragraph, press release body, which includes address the who, what, why, when, how in more details, then human interest codes, boilerplate, call to action, end of press release. Now let's discuss all these points one by one. So first thing is contact information. Contact information must be on the top right hand side, which include company name, address, phone number, website details and email ID. On the left hand side, company logo must be placed. Second one is for immediate release. It reflects that the press release is ready to instant release. Now the third point is headlines for press release. Headlines must grab the public attention and clearly explains what the release is about. Must keep the headline simple and short and reward the brief. So keep your title to one line to clear focus public attention on the top line message. Most importantly, make it interesting. Keep in mind that the reporters get dozens of press release each day. So invest the time to write a compiling headline. It worth the time and the effort of your part. The three core important things which must be included in your press release headlines that are: use action verbs, be direct, be comprehensive and make sure headline must be complete in 10 words and have the main 4 or 5 key points of the story. Remember, think about it, what is new. So the next one is date and location. Where you are and where the news is taking place. City, state, location, where you and where is the news happening. Along with the dates, it should be mentioned in press release. Lead is the first paragraph in your press release, usually containing of 35 to 45 words. It's summarizing the most critical part of your press release. Get to the point immediately and include at least 5 key news points. Your intro needs to explain the who, what, why, when and how and where the story is going. First paragraph has to answer 5 W's: who involved in the story, which person or company is involved, what happening, what is about, when did the story or event happen, when is it going to happen, where did the story or event take place, why is this information relevant to the reader of these media outlets. Next one is body of press release. In paragraphs 2 or 3 of your press release, you need to really develop the story by introducing key factual pieces of information and provide the journalist with the details to create the story, or we can say that the order information by level of importance. All paragraph of your press release need to have a natural flow, so each paragraph logically leads on to the next and try to avoid the repetition between the paragraphs. Body of press release also include useful quotes. One of the most critical part of your press release is including a quote that writers will be able to pull and use their own story. Including quotes is a good way to boost the credibility or personality of your press release to the reader. However, always ensure that your quote is relevant in the context of the article. Now let's discuss the boilerplate. Those in industry refer to this section as boilerplate. It includes additional background information which could be used for the journalist to know about the background of company. This tends to be the information about your bordered marketing communication goals. We can say the boilerplate is a brief information about the organization, and this boilerplate is also known as notes for editor. Here we can include some biographical information about the founder, the CEO, the person quoted in the release, as well as a little information about the history of the company, membership of the trade bodies, extra statistical information like figures, demographic information that could provide the journalist with extra color or extra information about the company, and then links to reporters or articles that may be used to by the journalist. One is call of action. You need to include your media contact information for the reporters to get in touch with PRO. It will include your email ID, mobile number, phone numbers, or give them a point to connect when they want to reach out you. Name and contact details of media coordinator and communication executive. Typically, anyone the reporter can get into the touch with more information can easily approach the PRO person through that. At the end, we can use 3 hashtags, which means end of press release. So let's discuss some tips for press release. First, grab the attention with a good headline. Get right to the point in the first paragraph. Make it grammatically flawless. Include quotes whenever possible. Include your contact information. One page is the best. If you require, try to use the second as a maximum one. Provide access to the more information. Again, we can easily understand that in inverted pyramid uses in press release through the diagram. The most important information first, which include what is happening, when it is happening, why it is happening, who is in charge, and where is it happening. Secondly, secondary details, which includes quotes, other details in descending order of importance. And thirdly, the additional information includes boilerplate, list and dates of any events who should take contact. So let's discuss the perfect format of press release. First, contact information along with the logo of the company on the top. Secondly, the immediate release. Third, press release headline and subheading required according to the explanation of headline. Fourth, dateline, which will be add on with the place and the lead paragraph. Then we have a body of a press release. The second paragraph should include more details known as body of press release. Then the third paragraph should include any more relevant information. We have boilerplate, which is known as closing paragraph. And at the last, we have to mention the name of the PRO, designation, signature, and its contact detail. And the 3 hashtag means over here the end of press release. So in this video, we discuss about the press release and format of press release. In my next video, we will discuss on another topic related to public relations. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.